Hello everyone, welcome to this session. In this session, the topic which we are going to cover today is pivot table in Excel. What is pivot table? The first question. To answer this, we can say that pivot table is a utility or the functionality within Excel wherein by using which we can do various analysis over the set of data. Well, to start with the actual pivot table implementation, let's look at our sample data first. This is the date. This is a sample data of employee strength, wherein we have the employee full name, his or her office location, joining date, geographical location, termination date if any, the employment type. Few other columns are referring to the compensation part, and few columns we have are telling us about the leave balance against each and every employee. Let's try to use pivot table to arrive at few conclusions. First of all, to create a pivot table, you need to go to Insert tab. After going into Insert tab, you can see at the extreme left side saying at Pivot Table. Just click on it. The moment you will click on it, the range will automatically be captured by Pivot Table. Here we have two options. The first option says new worksheet. It means that if you want to embed your pivot table in a new worksheet, this is the default choice. However, if you want that pivot table should be implemented within the same sheet, that is the sample data, which is the name of our sheet at present. If we want that pivot table should be embedded onto this sheet, then we need to choose this existing worksheet option. For now, we are choosing the default option, which is new worksheet. I'll press OK. Once I've clicked on this, I will be able to see that pivot table fields are on the extreme right side and some structure on the left side. Let's see what I'm doing. First of all, I'm selecting geographical location, and with the help of my mouse, I'm dragging it and throwing it in the raw data area. Again, I can drag the same field to the value section. See, the moment I drag and left the geographical region into the value section, it did some arithmetic operation for me. Right now, it has helped me to arrive at the conclusion that in Asia Pacific segment, we have 21 employees, EMEA has 5, United States has 68. Though obviously this is a dummy data set, hence the number are very less. This is one of the example wherein we can use pivot table for this simpler form of analysis. Let's try to make our analysis bit tougher. I'm going to copy the same pivot, Control C, placing my cell on cell E3. I'm using Control V, hence same pivot has been copied here. The moment I'll click on it, pivot table field option arrives automatically. Okay, let me play around with few other columns. Suppose, okay, I'm selecting year column and throwing it in row section. Let me put geographical region above the year. Okay, so hereby you can see that now my analysis has got some other level. Like in Asia Pacific, I have the employee strength. In 2001 there were 8 employees, 2003 there were 7, 4, 1, 5, 3, 7, 2. Same for EMEA and United States. Let's suppose if I want to see, I mean how many how much compensation I had paid to various employee in various region. Let's get rid of this geographical region section here. Let's pick total compensation column here. If you could spot out the difference instantly you can see that the rather than taking the count of the column, now it has taken the sum of the total column. The reason is pretty simple, because it is taking the sum, because the total compensation column has numeric value by default. Like you can see it here, it has numeric column, it has numeric value inside the column. However, the region, in my earlier pivot, if I refer my earlier pivot, the geographical region was a totally character value. It had no numeric value. Okay, let's try to play around a bit more. Let me get rid of this total compensation here, and let me try to see. Okay, let's use the total compensation for a moment once again. Now I'm giving a left click on the sum of total column caption, which is under the value. The moment I'll give a left click, I will be able to see a few additional options. I'll choose value field settings for an instance. Hey, now you can see, we have sum, count, average, max. You can that means you can change your arithmetic operation from here as well. If you want to take the count, it will give you the count. If you want to take the sum, you can get the sum. However, the beauty of this particular dialog box is that if you will switch over to the next tab, which is show value as, if I'm going to choose my percentage of grand total, let's see what happens. I've taken percentage of grand total. I'm hitting the button OK. Hey, now you can see that my overall percentage has been split into, I mean, total percent is 100%, but out of 100%, how much Asia Pac is contributing, how much EMEA region is contributing, how much United States is contributing. Let me get rid of year for an example. Here I can get rid of from taking it, leaving it back to the main pivot table field section. Now you can see it clearly that if they're out of total 100%, Asia Pac has 22.13% of contribution or the placement, or maybe EMEA have 2.61, United States has 75.26%. So here, what we have learned in this particular pivot, that we can get the grand total percentage of the grand total, percentage of the row of the column total. You can get the percentage of the row total as well. So this is another utility of pivot table. Now, if you want, suppose let's make some use of the filter section here. I'm bringing my ear into this filter area here. Let's see what happens. Hey, now we can see that you can see the overall analysis year on year buys. Like if I'm taking 2001, it is saying that in 2001 Asia Pac had 20% of the total place space out of 100%, and United States has around 79 or 80%. Suppose if I want to take some multiple selections, I need to select multiple items caption. You can make as many selections as you want. Suppose I'm taking the overall, I want to see the overall analysis from 2001 to 2005 as a whole. Now you can see that out of 100%, EMEA had just 1% of the total capture, and Asia Pac has had 30%, and United States had 68%. See how, now you can see how powerful tool is pivot table. You can do a lot of analysis. You can just play it around, and you will really feel that it is really a powerful utility of Excel. I hope you would have learned pivot table And I mean, I'm sure you would have find the pivot table functionality pretty easy now. I wish you all the best, and stay connected with us. You can visit our website as well. Our website address is www.a2zexcel.com. You can call me as well. My number is +91 9818 352 376. Please remember +91 is my country code, which is India. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.